So now let's see how to cut, copy and paste a file using On Commander Pro File Manager. That's something if you're using, for example, File Explorer that you're quite used to do for copying file. Well, here it's less usual because you can easily use the button and the multiple panels, but it's still possible. So part of the tutorial is how to do it. So let's zoom a bit, and first let's cut a file. So in this case, let's select the cut files, and you have the here file, clipboard, and then cut. Then you can go to the directory here, and I want to paste it over there. So clipboard can use paste, and now the file has been moved. So here's this file no longer exists, has been moved to this directory. Well, it's pretty similar also for copy, so I can select these files, clipboard, and then copy, then go to this directory, so file, clipboard, and paste, and now the files have been copied from this directory to this directory. Yeah, so pretty easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget also to watch the other videos about the On Commander Pro File Manager. Bye!